Hello, Chef here. I'm making some beer bread. I thought I'd share this with you. I got this Oktoberfest beer, which I think is going to be perfect to complement this beer bread. And follow along. It's just a few simple ingredients. It's a real quick recipe. Here we go. First thing, I've got flour, sugar, salt, like that. Of course, we got to spill a little bit. That goes right in there, and we add our can of beer right into the flour like this. Kind of foams up, pretty cool. That's 12 ounces of beer. We put it on the mixer with the dough hook and we let it go. I'm going to mix this on medium for about 5 minutes to the desired consistency. I'll be back. After a few minutes, your dough should look like this. And then we're going to move it over to a floured bench. Okay, we scrape this out of the bowl, get it onto a floured workbench, and we're going to let it rest for a few minutes. And I'll continue at that point. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share the recipe. This will help others find the channel and let them improve their cooking as well. This is a really good fall-winter recipe. You got to try this out. All right. Update your kitchen. Contact the sponsor for cutting-edge blocks as seen on TV. The finished beer bread, looking really good. It's a nice hearty loaf. Try this recipe out. The exact ingredients will be a little bit further into this video, so keep watching. To get this out of the pan after it cools on the rack, just tap it on the bench. I'll continue to allow this to cool on the rack. Oh yeah, like, share, subscribe right there. It's gonna be good. Oh yeah, I'm using one of my favorite high heat spatulas. Watch the next video and learn more about this. Dragon fruit. Now, look at what I got here. This is full flavor. This is where all the flavor comes from out of the vanilla bean right there. The sticky. That's what you want right there. Let's put it back in. Okay, and we're going to put this beautiful, beautiful bean right into this jar and get this extract going. I do want some of the seed specks to come out. That was one of the reasons why I split it. And it's quite simple. Here we go. Hello, Chef here once again, bringing you some more valuable information and some facts with some of the finer things in life. Wow, Madagascar vanilla bean. Look at that fat, sticky, soft, juicy bean. To get the best vanilla beans, just visit the sponsor. Like I said, these are thick, sticky, fat, juicy, #1 grade Madagascar beans. They also have a variety of beans from all over the world. You can also contact the sponsor if you need gallons. The beans are fully fermented now. They've some of the flavors extracted into the liquor, and this is ready to go. This is going to be really good. It's going to be strong. $10 or $20 for a bottle. It's imitation vanilla. This bottle's worth $40 to $60 because it's the real deal. I'm going to show you how to make it for just a few bucks. Put a large funnel in the bottle, line up your bottles, drop your beans in. You open your bottle of awesome rum. Oh yeah, look at that. And you pour some in. Just leave a little bit off the neck here for fermentation, and also because every now and then you're going to give a little shake. You're going to tip it back and forth. You want those air bubbles to move around the seed specks, which you can already see are coming out of that vanilla bean. Wow, beautiful. Like I said, visit the sponsor, score the best beans you can get. They import them directly. Japanese knives, of course, are there as well. And yeah, the butcher block. Yeah. I use a clean white towel. Wipe off any excess oil that's there. This cutting board, like I said, is over 10 years old. A little bit of excess oil. It's over 10 years old and it's just going strong. Love it. Check out your sponsor. They got all these babies on sale. They ship for free. It's the best cutting board you can buy right there. Oh yeah. blueberries. I like it. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Select Hard Rock Maple is the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes. With a juice groove, without the juice groove, reversible, charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry, even walnut rustic grain, reversible, round, square, rectangle, free shipping. Oh, it's gonna be good. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5-inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Boost blocks. Buy the best the first time. Save money. oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes,